If there's one thing to take away from this conversation that you and I are having right now, it's this. Social Curator, dang it. Can we go back a little bit, Joel?
Yeah, of course.
Can I be honest for a second? There was a time when I struggled desperately to find inspiration. I searched for creativity everywhere I looked, but I did it alone. I didn't want anybody to know my creative tank was on the verge of being empty. Okay, so I was afraid of admitting this because I'm a photographer. I thought to admit that I wasn't feeling inspired was the same as admitting that I wasn't as strong as my peers, or worse, that I wasn't as strong as my competitors. As a business owner, and sometimes you might feel the same way, it might feel like we're expected to know what we're doing all the time and then in the most perfect ways. I wanted to feel creative and I felt like I was ready to work on my business. But then when I sat down, my mind just went blank and I couldn't get myself moving in the right direction. By the time I finished my work tasks or I took care of like my big responsibilities for the day, I had nothing in my tank to talk about my business online. After a long day of work, my brain was fried. So trying to post anything on social media felt like a chore. It was just like another thing I had to do. But social media isn't a task, or at least it shouldn't feel that way. Building your business on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Snapchat, or the next big social platform shouldn't feel grueling. It should make you excited at the chance to get people to talk about your business. But at the end of a long day, the creativity to write a post or post something really engaging becomes hard. Really hard if we're being honest. And that's what makes Social Curator so special. The team and I create each issue of Social Curator with you in mind. We want you to open each issue and know that you're going to find inspiration to get those creative juices flowing. Whenever you feel stuck trying to find the right words or like how to write a caption, we want you to use one of our caption templates to help you get your mind excited to make it entirely your own. We want our monthly photo ideas to empower you to shoot your own photos, or simply use our curated images to save you time. We write every action plan with the goal of inspiring you to understand social media in a new way. You're no longer guessing about your social media strategy. You have a plan. With all the hats you wear in your business, we know it can totally get overwhelming. There are days when you feel like you have a million things to do and it was due like yesterday. So we get that. That's why Social Curator is your creative hub for inspiration and community. When you're feeling stuck or maybe you feel like in your rut and you don't know what to do, don't hesitate to post in the Facebook group. You're going to be so surprised how willing your fellow curators are ready to help you with incredible insight and awesome advice. If there's one thing to take away from the conversation, the one that you and I are having right now, use Social Curator as a piece of inspiration for your business. Think of it as the place you go for social media solutions that inspire you to create. It's time to market your business, boo. Remember, if you don't talk about your business, no one else will. And Social Curator makes that easy for you. I'll see you in the Facebook group.